Welcome back, everyone. Now we'll see mm, how to load a CSV file and visualize it in QGIS. So basic step is go to the layer, add layer, delimited text layer, browse it, and where is your CSV file? My CSV file is over here. Maurice Forest Fire CSV file. I just open it, and you can see everything here. It is in a perfect manner. But if you get any error, that will be because this projection hasn't been selected. So you need to see it should be like EPSG 4326 WGS84 if your data is in a latitude and longitude like this, and the lat and long should be defined like x equals to long and y equals to lat. After this, you can just edit and close it. And if you didn't see anything over here, just open it or zoom to layer, then you can see all those maps point. If you want to add a base map, XYZ tile, click on it. I just want to add a base map and sorry, base map, and now you can see these are the point data. So now we need to do is to make it a beautiful point data. For that, we need to go on properties, symbology, and change this SPM to SPG marker, and then go down a little bit down. You can see here is a forest fire type structure, and then I just copy it and place it to be fill color to be red, and stock color, that means outer color, to be something like orange, and then apply it. Okay, you can see now this is look like a forest fire is going on. If you zoom on certain layer, you can see the forest fire is over here. So then you can make a map and do several analyses. uh, this is what I want to show you for this time. See you again. Take care. Bye.